Hey guys, guess what I did today? I bet you will never guess. Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Grace Tori here, and I'm back with a whole new video. As you can see, things got a little crazy here in quarantine. I was a little bored and I've been wanting to do this look for a while. I had the idea a while back. Before I jump into the video, I just want to say thank you so much for 700 subscribers. I love you guys and I cannot wait to grow with you guys and keep this channel going. You guys are my favorite. Thank you so much to Outer Banks for making this incredible show and giving me the ability to be creative with this look and giving me kind of ideas for it. I don't know, I'm rambling. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what your favorite part of this look is. It's made of a lot of parts. We're gonna break it down and talk about it. And don't forget to give this a like if you liked it. So yeah, let's just jump into the video. Okay, so I'm just going to go in the order of how I did the look. The first thing I did was the Pogue graffiti. I really like this. I like how it turned out. I almost ran out of space, but I didn't. Basically, it's just graffiti, and then on this side we have kook with flowers, and it's in cursive because, I mean, that's kind of obvious why I did them differently. I love how this turned out. This is my favorite color, like, ever. So good times for that. Next I did the lighthouse. So this was kind of like a growing. I knew I wanted to do a lighthouse and have light going across my face to the boat, but I didn't know how I was going to do it. So first I did the little lighthouse, then I did the night sky eyeshadow, then I did yellow over it to make it look like light, obviously. Then I made the little boat, and then I did the night sky over here to make it look more cohesive. So yeah, no, we don't talk like that. And I did the little van. I'm really proud of my forehead. So there's a van, and then it has a little treasure map going to X marks the spot. There's a little wave, there's the sun, and there's a little flower. I literally feel like this look is just a hodgepodge of different things of Outer Banks. It's not really meant to like all go together, so that's why it's so crazy. But yes, I do love the little treasure map on my forehead. And last but not least, I did the gold bar. I wanted to do a little piece of wheat instead of writing gold on it, but I felt like it wasn't obvious enough. Sophie, puppy says hi. So now this was obviously more obvious. This was a bit more obvious, so that is why I went with the gold instead of writing the wheat. But yeah, that is the completed look. It's really not that much, but it's a lot. It's kind of overwhelming, but I had so much fun creating it. I kind of want to do more looks with like graffiti now. Like, I'm here for that. But let me know if you want me to do a tutorial on how I did any part of this look, and I will definitely do it. It's just a bit overwhelming to do a tutorial on all of this at once, but if you want to see a specific part, I'm happy to do it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you so much, and I'll see you soon.
Tastes like strawberries on a summer evening, and it sounds just like a song.